Question 8 says, what similarity between the Pyramid of Cheops and the tallest buildings of the 20th century is most strongly implied in the passage? So if we go to our passage, we will find the answer somewhere in the first paragraph and another part in the third paragraph. So we will zoom into those two paragraphs. And the first paragraph says, the Great Pyramid of Cheops is a vivid expression of the ruler's power, while the skyscrapers, their centralization drove up property values in the urban core. So if we go back to our question, they're saying what is a similarity? So option A says both represent the notion that the taller a structure, the more useful it will be. So in this case, as we read throughout the passage, we know that the taller the skyscraper, the less useful. And then the pyramids does not really speak of the tall aspect of it being useful. So we can cross out A. B, both represent the idea that building impressively tall structures is a way of demonstrating social status. So we saw that when we read so that the Pyramid of Cheops showed the ruler's power, that is a form of social status. And for the skyscrapers, if they drove up property values, that means that social status is also implied. So in that sense, B is the one that pertains most to their similarities. And if we go on to describe C, both represent the struggle to increase the usable floor area of tall buildings. We know that for the skyscrapers this is true, but not for the pyramids, because for the pyramids they did not care about usable area, they just cared about building tall structures. So not C. And D, both represent the benefits of using the most cost-effective building materials. Once again, the pyramids do not speak of cost-effectiveness, so for that reason, B is the only one in which both share similarities.